Thor, what do you want? What do you want to do? Hmm? You want to go out? Hmm? You want to go out? I'm coming. Do you want to go out, Thor? What do you want to do? Hmm? Tell me, Thor. Hey, what do you want to do? Outside? You want to go out? Hmm? You want to go outside? Yeah? It's your favorite thing to do. Go play in the snow. Oh. Hey, Thor. You want to go roll around in snow? Damn, it's cold. You are a nut. Does that feel good? You are a nut. Nut.